those of you who are catching this later on the replay, be sure to click replay in the comments. Right? What if it was easy? What if I had things for you that could actually help you feel better? Would you be interested in trying them? Would you open your mind up to the possibilities that lie ahead for you? This was a card I chose today, and it's interesting because it says, it doesn't have to be hard. Life doesn't have to be hard. Call in the universe, the stars, the angels, whatever powers that are with you. Find a solution. Guess what? I'm a natural solutions provider. I'm here to help you in any way I can, mind, body, or spirit. So if I can help you, just reach out. Let's see. Would you take the next step if you knew it were easy, right? We all would, right? We wouldn't hold ourselves back, but yet we do that all the time. And we think, well, I don't know, I'm not sure. Instead of thinking about it and being in our own way, reach out, try something new. How is what you're doing now working for you? Let me ask you that. Is it working? Because if it isn't, I have a natural solution that might actually help you. So it's time to expect ease, to call in the grace and receive the guidance that you're supported. I'm here to support you as your person of wellness. And it doesn't always have to be essential oils. I do a lot with alternative healing. I can help you with connecting with the spirit world. I can help you with giving guidance. I can help you with so many different things. I can help you if you're struggling and maybe want a little part-time hustle. I can help you with many different things. Today's soul action. List 10 possible ideals for your soul's current calling. Lean into ease because it's finally here and you just have to say yes. So it's like I tell my friend Michelle sometimes, say yes to the dress. Say yes to you, because you, my friends, are worth it. You are worth it. You are enough, and you are worth the support, the well-being, and all the beauty that should be in your lives. There's no reason you need to struggle. I'm here to tell you that I am here for you. If you guys are interested in learning more or would like to be part of our group, we have a new group opening, but in order for you to be part of that, you'll need to get into this group so I know who to invite. This is the Angels and Oils group where I share a lot of the information we do on here, Angels and Oils, so it'll be a little combination of both. But I am starting a new page for our entire team where you can basically learn testimonials from people, learn about how the products help, how different things in wellness have helped people, whether they are supplements, nutritional supplements, whether it is products that are helpful, whether it's healing modalities, different things like that. So if you're interested, message me and I'd be happy to add you to the group. And if somebody is already in the group and you're seeing this and you are friends with them, message them and have them introduce you to the group. So I wanted to share some wellness at your fingertips. So I wanted to share 2 oils today that have been quite important, that have really helped me today. 2 of the oils that I'm using today are Past Tense and Deep Blue Rub. The reason why I'm using these 2 oils is I'm going to show you guys. Whoops. So I woke up this morning and I had a little bit of pain right here under my knee. It actually started from right here, which my friend Brenda told me. She's a massage therapist. This right here is part of sciatica. It runs down the hip and around to the front of the knee and then down the leg. So I have a real tightness in here, and if I would have lemongrass, I'd also be using that. But what I did this morning, I felt so inclined to do so. It's kind of a rainy, chilly day out there today. And I knew I needed to reach for something really powerful, something that would really help me to release the pain, or to get in there and get deep into the core of where I felt, not really an ache, it's more of like a pulling, almost could be like, I don't want to say a tear, but it felt like stretched, like overstretched, if that's a better word. And I really didn't do anything other than food shop yesterday in flat sneakers that, you know, I don't always wear. I was on concrete. I have been sitting a lot. I've been doing a lot of recording of videos and editing and all that stuff for my YouTube channel. If you guys are not on YouTube, make sure you get on YouTube and check it out. I'm under the Hairdresser-Medium, soon to have a new name. But check that out, and when I get the new name up, I will be posting that. You guys can go like that channel if you like and feel called to do so. Share it with your friends, like the post, you know, click the thumbs up button or thumbs down, whatever you're feeling. Hopefully it's thumbs up, because I'm here to inspire people if that's what I can do for you. So what I was talking about was past tense. So the pain now is in the past tense, which is awesome, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Past tense is a really strong oil. These oils actually make my nose run a little bit. They're a little strong, but they work. And so what I found is past tense is a great oil for anyone who's tried maybe Deep Blue and didn't have the results that you thought you would achieve. Past tense to me is a little bit stronger. It has oils like, if I can read what it says, hang on, bear with me. It has oils like frankincense, which will drive the oil in deeper. It also has wintergreen, which is great for getting into bones and muscle, I believe. I'm not sure about muscle. I think wintergreen is good for bones, so that I do know. Let's see. It also has lavender, which is calming and soothing. Roman chamomile, also calming and soothing. Rosemary, which is great for the body, great for your mind also. Marjoram, which is really good for the muscle, and that's the one I wanted to share. I also believe Deep Blue may also have that in there. Deep Blue has oils of wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, blue tansy, blue chamomile, helichrysum, osmanthus. No, it does not have marjoram, but that's interesting. So the two together I find work really well. If I had my lemongrass on hand, I would have also used that because it's really good for ligaments, and that's what I feel like the muscle from the sciatic is running down there. It's very tight is what I feel, so which means to me I need to get on the mat. I need to get back to yoga. I've been doing it here and there, and I do stretch every morning, but I probably need to do more downward dog. Get out of my way, do my thing, whatever. But I wanted to come on and share that with you. It's a really great little tip that you guys can take away. Anyone who's tried Deep Blue, I'd love to know what you think of it. I'd love to know if you've tried past tense. If you haven't, I highly, highly recommend that you try it. Past tense is great if you want the pain to be in the past tense. That's what I like to say. It is a little strong scented, so if you don't like the smell, maybe apply something a little more over it, like something that would go with it, maybe like a mint scent, or peppermint is really good over the top of these two. If you don't mind frankincense, that will drive it in deeper. That kind of takes some of it away. I will say past tense, less is more. It comes out really quickly, even though it is in a roller ball. And I find it tends to leak in my bottle, so make sure your lid is on really tight. But when using it, I put a little in my hand and then rub it on the area of concern. When I rub it right out of the bottle, it's great like that on your neck if you have a big knot back here, but it will come out quickly and you'll end up really strongly scented. So if you don't want too much, or you don't want to be overwhelmed with the scent of the oils, you can always use it on your feet. So remember, just because you don't like the smell doesn't mean you don't need it. These are not the same oils that you would purchase in the CVS, the drugstore, the, you know, Bed Bath & Beyond. These are beyond all that. They are really good products, and I share them with you because I know they work. I recommend them to all my family and friends. I use them in my business. I'm just a big advocate of what they do and how they help people and how this company gives back. So that is my tip for today. That is my wellness tip for you. Let me know how you use these oils. I'm also feeling you could put a little extra lavender over top. It's just something I wanted to share. But let me know how you've used them, and let me know how your pain has improved. Let me know what you love about these products. I would love to hear from you guys. So anyway, that is my tip for today. Take care, brush your hair. Till we meet again, Lisa the Hairdresser-Medium. Peace. Bye. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Hello. Yeah.